Good morning. Have you ever feel a lack of confidence in your life? Have you ever faced a fear of public speaking? If you, then this video is definitely for you. So in this video, I will discuss about some methods through which you can raise your confidence up to a certain level. So, what are those things? The first thing that you need to do in your life to raise your confidence up to a certain level is to change your perception. Yes. You need to accept one thing in your life. Whatever you do, whatever you start, people will laugh on you. Either you start your business, either you start your investing, or you do anything which you love to do, people will definitely laugh on you. Now in this situation you can do two things. Either you can ignore those people, or you have to change your perception. Now it is not possible for some people to ignore them, so what you can do now, you need to change your perception about this process. So you need to assume one thing. You need to assume one thing in your life, that whenever someone laugh on you, whenever someone laugh on your capability, whenever someone laugh on your work, the only thing that you need to assume, and this is right, this is not only an assumption, this is a right thing. So what you need to think about those people who laughs on you is that these are the only people who are not laughing on you, they are laughing on themselves, because they are incompetent, they are completely incapable in reaching your level, in reaching your caliber. That's why they are just expressing their grief by laughing. So you need to keep in mind, you need to bear this thing in mind, that they are the only people who are not laughing in you, they are just laughing on themselves, they are just laughing on their own inability. Alright, so you need to change your perception about this. So second thing, positive social contact. Now second thing that you need to do to raise your confidence is that surround yourself with people with good vibes, because if you surround yourself with the negative people, you will definitely lose your value in the end. So the thing that you need to do is to surround yourself with the positive attitude people and with the people of winners mindset, because if you able to survive in such an environment with the positive people around you, then you will definitely find a way to success, and you will definitely be able to raise your confidence up to a level where you ever wanted to take that. So this is the second thing that you can do to raise your confidence. Now what is the third thing? Self talk. Yes, you need to start self talks, because if you can talk to yourself, you can talk to anyone out there, definitely. Because when you talk to yourself, you will find a way, you will find some manners in which you can talk and you can communicate to a person. That's why I recommend you to initiate a self talk, because if you can talk to yourself, you can talk to each and everyone. So this is another way through which you can raise your confidence. Now let's come to the next, fourth. Now what is that? I have covered the 3 points. Now let's initiate again. So what is the fourth point, or what is the another method that you can do to raise your confidence? Analysis. Yes, whatever you do, don't do that thing with improper knowledge, because if you commit something, if you initiate something with the improper knowledge in that, and now for example if you find someone who has a great knowledge or who has a deep knowledge in the work you are pursuing, and what if he or she point you out, you will definitely lose your confidence at that level. So whatever you do, whenever you do, just take a proper knowledge, a proper source, and proper source of facts. These are the things that you need to collect in your mind, and if you do something with proper knowledge, with proper facts, then it is so obvious that you will not gonna lose your confidence. So analysis and self awareness, just analyze your field, just analyze your work, and just analyze all kind of facts and all kind of things that you need to accumulate within you in your life to excel in that particular thing which you are pursuing. It can be your work, it can be your professional activities, it can be anything that you can do, or you are doing, or you will do in the nearby future. Last thing that I'll recommend you personally is that believe in yourself. Yes, because if you can believe in yourself, everyone believe in you. It is a common notion of each and everyone's life of us that how someone can believe in you when you can't believe in yourself. If you can believe in yourself, like, listen to me, if you need to make people believe in you, the first thing that you need to do is to believe in yourself. Because if you can believe in yourself, several other peoples and several other fraternities, either it can be your buddy, it can be your partner, it can be your everyone, it can be your anyone, they will definitely believe in you when you believe in yourself. So whatever you do, whatever work you prefer, the only thing you need to do is to believe in yourself. Have a proper belief system. Just believe in you, just believe in yourself and initiate your work after believing in yourself. If you do this, you will definitely gonna find a way to excel to success. So these are the some common points or some common facts or some common, you can say, method through which you can raise your confidence. I can't assure you the perfection. I can't assure you the perfection in confidence raising. But I can make you sure that if you try any one of the method which I recommend to you, you will definitely be able to raise your confidence. You can definitely able to work on your public speaking skills. Definitely. So in the next video, we will discuss some more topics. I hope you will focus on the things that I have discussed to you. Thank you.